In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to synchronize Zoho CRM with your Google Calendar to ensure your schedules are always in harmony. This is an essential skill for keeping your professional and personal life organized and up to date. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to open your Chrome browser and log into your Zoho CRM account. This is your central hub for managing customer relationships, so ensuring it's synced with your calendar can greatly enhance your productivity. Once you're in, look towards the top right of the screen for the gear icon. This is the symbol for Setup, your gateway to numerous settings and configuration options. Click on it, and from the list, select Calendar. Now that you're in the calendar settings, look for the option that says Sync with Google Calendar. Clicking on this will initiate the process of connecting your Zoho CRM with your Google Calendar, a tool many of us use for organizing daily tasks and events. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Make sure to use the account that holds the calendar you want to sync with. Enter your login details securely, and once signed in, an important step is coming up. You'll need to grant access permissions to allow Zoho CRM to connect with Google Calendar. This is a critical step because it ensures that Zoho CRM has the required permissions to sync data between the two platforms seamlessly. It might feel a bit like opening the gate to your digital organizer, but rest assured, this is necessary for smooth integration. Once permissions are granted, you'll encounter the sync options. You have the choice between a one-way or a two-way sync. Opting for a one-way sync means data will only flow from Zoho CRM to Google Calendar or vice versa, depending on your selection. This might be ideal if you mainly use one as a reference. A two-way sync, however, allows data to flow back and forth between both platforms, ensuring that updates made in one calendar reflect in the other. Choose the option that best suits your needs and lifestyle. After selecting your preferred sync option, it's time to confirm and save these settings. It's always a good idea to double-check your selections to make sure everything is configured according to your needs. Saving these settings finalizes the setup process, linking your Zoho CRM with your Google Calendar. Finally, head over to your Google Calendar